Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to Photoshop because as you've seen, I'm great at Photoshop. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna Photoshop someone's face onto Howard the Alien just because I can. Oh, sorry. This is also a good one I've made. Jacob Sartorius with his Sartoriuses. Oh gosh, but yeah. Okay, so I already have a picture of Howard the Alien, but we're gonna look one up just to show you guys, you know? Yeah, Howard the Alien. As you can see, I've searched him before. Yeah. So you get this picture. Oh, this is a GIF. So this, and then so I'll just do Howard the Alien with Jacob Sartorius. Okay, so first you open the picture you're going to be putting something onto. Might take a minute to load. So then you I like to have them kind of big. Even, I don't know, just cause it's easier. I don't know. But you can do whatever you want. And then you open the picture you want to Photoshop onto it. So you can do just someone's face, someone's entire body, just whatever. So, and then you'll click. It's different on different computers. Sometimes it's the toolbox thing right here. But right now it's this. So you click on that. It's normally just next to the search bar. And then you click on this. Sometimes you have to double click. I don't know. And you click the smart lasso. Personally, I think you can do one of the other, the rectangular ones, just if you want a box, I guess, to Photoshop. And so yeah, I always do the smart lasso. You can do other stuff too, but I just learned with the smart lasso, so yeah. And then so you want to outline the shape you want. And you don't have to be crazy about it. I'm just pretty usual about it. And sometimes if you, for example, go like this, and you're like, oh no, I don't want all that white space, you can literally just go back and that, you know? So, yeah. And so yeah, so there's your shape. And you see it's pretty good. The smart lasso is pretty good. There's a few parts here or here where it didn't go straight to the shape I was getting, but it doesn't really matter. And so then you go edit, copy, or if you do know the commands or whatever, I don't know them. So, and then paste it. Sometimes it's a little too big, sometimes it's a little too small. You just want to make it to scale. I normally try to whoever's already in the picture, I try to make them the same size as them. And I do that by putting the head up, and then when their heads are the same size, I just or roughly, then I'm I know it's I don't know, but I assume it's to scale. So, yeah, and then you got that, and you want to save it so that it's not edited. That's just your image now. And then this you can just get rid of. And there, you got a picture with Jacob Sartorius with his Sartoriuses and Yeezys and Howard the Alien. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And then here's my other picture of Jacob Sartorius with his Sartoriuses. If you want to do someone's head, as you may have seen from my amazing BTS thing, if you want to make a little collage with people and stuff, you can sometimes outline just the head. Oh, that's really bad. Sorry. I'm gonna make this a little bigger, just cause yeah. So yeah, and it's, you don't have to be crazy about it. Yeah, and then you can I always try to put it in little spots and stuff. If you're gonna do a whole collage thing, you want to cover this whole thing. But yeah, and then other things if you want to so the thing is, since this is basic Photoshop, not fancy stuff, you can't put them at an angle this way or whatever, but you can if you want to flip images, you kind of just go like that, So you select like one of these ones and then you drag it to the other side and then it flips it. Or if you want to flip it upside down, then you kind of just grab it. Oh wait, I think it's like, yeah, you go like, no, I'm forgetting. Yeah, you go like that. So you grab the side one and you go up or down, whichever way you want to go. So yeah, that's just like photoshopping. Pretty cool. Go make some stuff and like send it to me, I guess, or like, no, don't send it to me. Comment it? I don't think you can comment pictures. Never mind, just like make some stuff and enjoy it. I'm gonna close this picture because it's really creepy. I don't like that picture Sartorius is so much. I don't know. And so you see, this one's not edited. It's not like it says edited. So I would want to save it, but I don't know. I'm probably just gonna delete this picture because I don't know. Not one of my most masterpieces. But yeah. Yeah, hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks. Like and subscribe. Woo, yeah. Okay, bye.